Hey, it's Brian with the Midnight Mechanic. If you saw our most recent video on how to change the oil in a car, you may wonder what's actually inside of an oil filter. Well, we had this old oil filter sitting on the shelf, and it's a Fram, and we don't use Fram, so I cut it open so you guys can see actually what's inside and how it works. So if you have a screw-on oil filter like this is the way it works. If you have one like this, you'll have something like this on your engine. This is from a Pontiac 400. This surface right here is where this gasket will mate to. Now, make sure when you put it on, you don't tighten it down too hard with a tool or something like that. Just put it really hard, hand tight. Otherwise, this gasket will bulge out and then oil will leak out around here and you'll end up with a mess and an oil pressure problem. So this is the way it works. Oil from your engine gets pushed through here. It ends up coming around in this surface here and gets pushed through these little holes. There's this rubber gasket here that the oil gets pushed out around under pressure. It comes down the edges around this filter. When it gets here, it gets pushed through the filter and this catches all the junk that's in your engine. The oil passes through this to the inside. When it gets down to the inside, it gets pushed back out through the center hole, through there, back through there, and into your engine. This way your engine gets a constant clean supply of oil. Now, make sure that when you replace the oil in your car, you replace your oil filter. The oil filter catches all the crap that's in your engine, and it'll fail if you get too much junk in there. So it's a very, very vital part that needs to be replaced at every oil change. So hopefully you learned about how an oil filter works and the importance of having a quality one on your car. Make sure that you get a good one and not just some generic off-brand one or even a Fram one like this. These are known to fail. I've had a few of them fail. I don't use these. So until next time, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at The Midnight Mech. Subscribe down below, and we will see you next time.